Hi friends, welcome back to G's Passions. Today I'm going to show you how we can make a matching choker for the dress. From the same fabric that I've used to make the dress, I'm going to cut a small piece at 11-inch length and 2-inch wide small piece. So first of all, I'm marking the size of the small piece onto the fabric. So this is 2-inch wide and I'm making it 11-inch length. So I've marked it now. I'm just going to join all these lines so it's easy to cut off. Now just cut the piece off the fabric. This is 2-inch wide and 11-inch length. The length of the choker that I'm going to make is 10-inch, so I have allowed 1 inch as seam allowance, ½ inch on either side. And the 2-inch wide is for ½ inch seam allowance and 1.5 inch for the width of the choker. So I've just ironed this piece now and I'm going to sew it. So this is the right side of the fabric and this is the wrong side. So keeping the right side inside, I have just folded it and leaving a ½ inch seam allowance, I'm going to sew this end. Turn it around here and keep sewing this long side. I'm leaving a ¼ inch seam allowance for this side, so the choker will be 0.75 inch width. Now we have come to the other end and we're going to stop here and cut the piece off. And using a screwdriver, I'm going to turn it outside. So you can use a pencil or a screwdriver or some kind of stick, whatever you have. Just place it like this and push it in and push it further in until it reaches the other end. And then pull the other end and it completely turns it out. Just straighten the corners. And you can just iron it to make the piece very steady. Now I'm going to sew the other end. I'm going to fold about ½ inch inside. You can use a screwdriver if you like and just fold it in and straighten the pieces nicely and just sew it over the edge. Now, in order to attach the two ends together, I'm going to use Velcro. I have the Velcro here ready to use. Using a glue gun, I'm going to attach this Velcro. Now attach the other piece of the Velcro on the inside of the other end using a glue gun. Now we have this beautiful choker ready to match the dress.